Hi there, Yang here. Today we're gonna start working on the behavior tree. Before we going to do this, we need to quickly go into, hold on a second, we're going in our advanced AI. We are going to bleep, 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 advanced tasks. Like you saw here, when you say like task, you see it's double. So we need to rename the ones that came from Hyper. So that are the basic AI. We are going to use these. So have two on them. Just prefix them maybe and prefix them with. This is also not a good naming convention. This should be BTD because it's a decorator. Hold on, caps BTD. This is a decorator that we keep the namings correct and just call it ADV. And then what we gonna do, we gonna just, oh, steal the last part. Then quickly what we gonna do, F2, arrow to the right, paste it, enter, next one, F2, arrow to the left, to the right, paste it, enter. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna leave him, yeah, leave him here. You can put him in a folder if you want. Okay, so I was yesterday quickly going over that I know what is working, what is not working. And I found out, like I say, between the last test video, let me say, I did the hearing and everything, but it seems that the hearing part is the part that is breaking at the moment, so that we need to redo. Then also in the last minutes of the last video, we were doing some tests, and we see that some of the functionalities that came from the Udemy, like I say, Udemy course based on a new character, a fresh setup, and this we need to migrate, integrate, let me say, or try to make everything work. Okay, we are going to do step by step, but like I say, we need to first go in our yeah, do it in the controller. Yeah, do it in the controller. We're gonna do it in the controller. So open this up. Then we go here to our AI perception logic. And what we are going to do, this is already done. Just disconnect all the ones that we are not finishing and leave only for now the vision. Okay, so at this point, we're not gonna modify much anymore in this one for now. This can be closed, and now I'm gonna quickly open my other project on this side, and then we can, so okay. First of all, I'm gonna start with the two functions that we know are not working at the moment, but I want to have them working. So that will be once we finished everything, then we're going to start by, hey, where can we find this in the combat, or in which project you started it, of course. So let's start. We are going to make a new task by clicking on new task and select the bottom part, BT task blueprint based. It will open, then you need to give it a direction, and we need to give it a naming. And this one, we are going to start with the first one. So the first one we use in every behavior or state. And by switching the state, we have two main task that we are doing, and what we are doing is, are we aiming or do we need to aim? And what is the movement speed? So when you're in a passive mode and you detect something, it's no, you don't need to aim. Okay, so we're just gonna set it up. So I'm gonna start with it, and this first one will we call set aiming mode. That's the one we are going to start with. We have it in the correct because we don't have anything, huh? Okay, start aiming. A good thing to know when you work with the tasks, you always have like override. We are most of the time using receive execute AI. That is mainly what we are using. And if you put code like here and doesn't end it or doesn't abort it, then the task stays in forever. So a good habit, and it's really a good habit, is saying like finish execute. And you also have a finish, you all, oh, finish abort. That is also, oh, I think my mouse is a little bit too fast. I need to lower it. Which one is it? This, yeah, okay. So, but this I'm not using. Okay, put that a little bit up. Then I'm gonna quickly open the function. This is a very simple one that is mainly to talk to the animation blueprint. So when you're not doing MST or the hyper system and you take the same coding on a fresh AI, let me say, then this is basically what is triggering your animation blueprint saying from, hey, I'm aiming, yes, I'm no, or I'm not aiming. Okay, then we created a blueprint interface, yeah, and we had a function on that one. We can go like, does it implement? But I'm gonna pass that step. So modify aiming stance. That is the one, and make sure it's the message one. Okay. Then this we connect over here, align everything, say it's a successful one. Plus, I made, let me quickly look. I made a boolean. So we are gonna promote this to a variable, sorry. And we need to make sure that it is, hold on, I'm gonna drag this a little bit over here. Oh, I'm missing my text, it seems. So aiming, that needs to be visible. The eye needs to be pointed. And there's something strange going on here. Okay, never mind. So this task is done. So this is only saying from, yes, put them in aiming stance or do not put them in aiming stance. Compile and save. Then this can close. We are going to make the second task. Again, always select the lower one, unless you know you want to use one of these and then work further on it, but I'm always using a fresh one. Same thing. And this one, hold on, I'm gonna close this one, gonna open up the next one. This goes in BTT because it's a task. This task is then the update movement speed. That is this one. Save it. It will open. Same thing. Receive, execute AI. Then finish, execute. Disconnect. Put it aside for now. Then I'm gonna go here. Yes. I need to have, let me quickly check this one. That is, yeah, we need to have one variable. I just call it BB, blackboard keys. It's basically the blackboard we need. Then we need to have a type, and that will be blackboard key selector. Okay, that's the one we need. Again, always make sure that you put it visible, let me say, instance editable. Then I will start by on the pound. Do we implement our interface? It will be the BPI, Advanced AI. Okay. Then we make a branch. We branch it. Then we connect it. That is the first thing. Do we have it? Yes, no. I'm already going to take our BB, the key, that I'll show you soon. Then over here, I'm gonna say get blackboard value as an enum. Okay, so this is what we need over here. Maybe we can directly put it a little bit over here. Yeah, okay. So good. This one you can already duplicate one time. One time, okay. Then this goes over here. Then I'm gonna quickly steal it. Then we're gonna make a print string on the false. Yeah, print string on the false. The execute finish we're gonna put there. So this is a fail. So okay, so when it fails, we don't select the success, and this one we can already enable. Then we need to come again from the pound, and then here we're gonna use our other BPI functionality that it was called modify movement speed with the message. Always make sure that you have the message selected. Then this we're gonna just put like so, click on it, make it a little bit nice and clean. Then this will make a conversion from a byte to a enum. Voila. Okay, perfect. Then again, just make sure that it's a little bit nice coding, and readable. Then we just need to connect it back. Okay, so that is the second task we are doing. But though, remember, those two tasks at the moment don't have the effect that we want, okay? So to keep that in mind. Okay, so that one, oh, that one we close also. Then, I need to make one more. Yes, we're gonna make one more, and I think this is the one where I need to do some modifications. Okay, so we are gonna make a new PT task, blueprint based. Take your put it in your direction, and this one then we are going to call BTT clear target, clear enemy target, basically enemy and target in this setup is basically the actor sensed. It's all one and the same um, where it's pointing to. Same thing again. This is a little bit more complicated. So yeah, this one again, override, execute, receive, execute AI, finish, execute. Let me quickly look how many times I need this. It's one, yep, two times. Yeah, two times. So already duplicate this one. Put this one underneath this one and click this one already on. Put that over here. So this is the fail. This is a good one. Now we are first going from the control panel, cast to BP, and we need to have our advanced master, this one. So the first character uh, we are using. Okay, then first do the fail. The fail is simple. So when it fails, we just say like, no, we didn't have the successful casting. Okay. We also need always mainly it will be a blackboard key. In some instances, we use variables itself, float or bool or something, but most of the time it will be then a blackboard key selector. This one we're gonna call target. Okay, because target enemy, yeah, target, maybe call it enemy. No, leave it target is good. Like I say, a black board key selector. Voila. Always make sure that we can see it. Huh? Then now we're gonna start. Huh? I did it as followed. I made a selector, a sequence, sorry, sequence. So pressing S on the keyboard and click. Okay, then make some room. Maybe put it on this line here. Okay. First things first, it goes from, yeah, then from this one, because it's the the child that basically owns the components we need now. So I need get component by class. The component I'm interested in is the AC Equipment Manager Advanced. That's the one I'm interested in. I'm gonna quickly, then we're gonna say like, is it valid one? The valid and valid. And why is he? We need to have, hold on, I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna do it from here, then it's easier. Is valid. Voila, and we need the question mark. We're gonna hook it up to the first pin. Then we're gonna make it a little bit nicer. This can go down, okay. Then, what do I need? Okay, I did it like taking it from here. And what are we gonna do? We are equip uh, weapon without animation. That's the one. So this is the code that came from the character that we disconnected completely. We are using in a different way. Okay. Then this can go on the true because this is a selector. The execution is on the last pin. So if this fails, okay, it will still continue going down the low row. If otherwise, if you're gonna say directly here, finish abort, then you can have strange behavior. I say on this one bypass if equipment in equipment check and bypass. Okay, so that is good. Straighten it out. What we need to do now is going backwards. Make, yeah. Then again, we are going backwards. Again, make, yeah. For this, we are going to select or, where is it on the top? No, I'm already there. The items, the item table. I know because you need to go into the items to have the correct names. Always think that the namings need to be 100% the same. If you make one typo, then you you will be having a lot of problems. And to find, if you're doing coding, to find that you made some typos, it can take you a long time. Same thing like when you're doing C++ coding and you, for example, put a point or a dot somewhere and later on you need to find it back. You can spend days for looking after it. Okay, so the first step we did, so it's the equipped weapon. So we are going to the idle unarmed post, because we are clearing the target. So once the target is dead, I don't need my sword anymore. We are going back in the unarmed post. Okay. Then the second one is we first need to go back to our caster. And in this instance, I'm gonna do it a little bit nicer. I'm interested in the AC advanced. Oop, advanced. Then scroll all the way down. Brum, brum, brum. I think my mouse will be broken in the end. We need to have the advanced AI component. Advanced AI component, this one. Then from this, I'm gonna put a little bit more to here. This we're gonna put then over here somewhere. Yeah, that should be fine. And then here, this set in combat. That is the first thing. On the second pin, you can already, no, I didn't not. Okay, that's good. No, we did it on this line. I could make an extra pin and then finish the execute on that pin, but okay. Okay, now the next part will be, this needs to go a little bit down. Then this can go like so. And then we're gonna say set value as Boolean. Okay, set value as Boolean. Just connect it. Okay, we are connected. Then we are gonna directly make it ready for our, voila, like so. This will come back in just a second. We're just gonna quickly set everything. Again, same thing. Set value, but this time we are going to use an object. Okay, so object. Then this goes there. This goes so. Zoop. All right. Hold on. I already saw something I don't like. Straighten it up. That is this one. Then I need to have, yeah, here this part I'm gonna show you. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. This part we need to change. What we here doing is basically saying like, hey, it's done, it's over, we don't have a target anymore, and we're going back into the unarmed state, okay? And then that's why I say, or why I put that extra behavior in it. On my previous project, let me say, I did it like this. Do we have a patrol pad? Yes, no, allez. And then switch to, but this part we're gonna modify directly, okay? So that's why I say I'm gonna keep this project and the other project, once we are completely finished, I will then use as a test project to break, let me say, or to test the logic before we make a video out of it and put it into this one. Quickly slabbering on my coffee. Yeah, I'm just home from work, so. Okay, that is that. So we need now. Hold on, maybe quickly go. We need one more. So the patrol route thing, we are going to wait for a second. We need to have our struct that holds the namings and maybe just hold on. So we need it here and here. So maybe take this one. How do we call it? BB. Voila, BB. That's always nice. You see, BB directly instead of using mile long names. Then this we just need to break. Break. We already know that I need to have. This is pretty weird that we don't get a spin, and where is the text that we need? This is not so good. I don't know why, because I also see it on the other side all of a sudden. I need, the first one is the in combat. The in combat is completely at the bottom. Whap. So are we in combat? No, we are not in combat. What you also can do, you can do it like this, that you always have the same value. But as we know, no, we are clearing basically everything. And the second one is our enemy. So this one, same thing, we're clearing, we don't need to set anything. Voila, and then say like hide the comments that you have a nicer thing. Now what we are gonna do is just move those a little bit, that the lines come a little bit better. And then this you can also go like doing it like, hold on, Alt, click, disconnect, this, put it back down, and then reconnect it to this one. Okay, and now we need to, hold on, I'm gonna push it here. I need to be in, did we set or did we not set? I don't think we did. Hold on. Set as patrol, set as wandering. How can I maybe do this the best? Did we put it on this one? Hold on a second. We're gonna quickly investigate. Could be that I forgot something. Okay, yeah, that we don't need the vision thing. I'm only interested at the moment in behavior current state we have. Yeah, we don't set it in the component. We only setting it in the blackboard. Okay, so we need to have the blackboard. We need to have the blackboard. Hold on, I think I'm overlooking something. No, yeah, I think I created. Hold on, find references. Ah, yeah, I created this one. but it was not set. So now we are going to use it. Get black board value as enum because it's an enum. Okay, here we go. But this is not correct. No, this is not correct. We need to do it like this, but it's not. Otherwise, you need to put it on the. We're gonna keep it here. So what I'm gonna do instead is taking our our controller. We're gonna take the controller, get blackboard. Doesn't matter if you take this one or that one, it's just the same. Then already put it somewhere over here, double click here that we can make a reroute node. Yeah, and then this can go then over here like so. And this we need. Okay, then get blackboard. Oh, get value. Okay, yeah, get value, the blackboard as enum. Okay, that is perfectly fine. Then on this one, yeah, now because we don't see it, we need to, two. That I don't like. Oh, come on, you really mean it? Yeah, that is stupid, eh? And then I'm blind. Start behavior, yeah, that's the one we need. Start behavior, huh? Yeah, I don't see it, I'm blind, so okay, so we need to have the start behavior. And then on this one, we can make a switch statement. Switch. And why is he not doing it? Because it's a byte. Hold on, we had somewhere the byte thing. Where is the byte thing? To enum, I think it is. To e. And then you really need to take the one, so the enum. But it's not a e. Where? How did we call the enum? Damn it. Ah, yeah, enum basic behavior. It was, hold on, yeah, we didn't change it. We really leave it on the enum thing. Ah, here it is. So, pi to enum AI behavior. Oh, that's a mouthful. Then on this one, we're gonna say then switch, up, switch, and voila. That's what we need. No, oh, now I take the wrong one. Oh, damn it. I need to have the advanced one. Sorry. So, again, byte. Oh, just do to enum. Allee, come on, guys. To enum. Then go all the way up. A. Now we need to make sure that we don't go over it. Where is it? Oh, we already had to be AI to enum AI. Oh yeah, it was called enum. Oh yeah, it's true, enum. Let maybe call it again. Enum. That should make us a little. This one we need to. Voila, sorry for the mistake, but yeah, it's good that you make mistakes while you show something, basically. Then you can also learn how you need to fix things. By cutting everything out, like in some videos, they make everything nice and clean and start editing it. I don't edit, never. Never, I do. What you see is what you get. So then this we can say like we need to take it then because we need to have it from here. So we need to have it from this pin. So we're gonna make a long one. We're gonna say reroute, that we have it available. And now we can say like set state as weight. That is the first one. Okay, set state as weight. Set state as wandering. I think this is better. I think this is better than this will make a little bit more setup. Okay, yes. But I think in the long run, this will be much better than saying from, hey, do you got a route? Now you can go in the default state like where you stand it. So set state as passive, passive up. Maybe put them already a little bit higher, like so. Then set state investigation. Yeah, yeah. Then this will give us trouble. I don't think. Yeah, the seeking and investigation we need to leave out. That is basically not a starting state. Attack is not a starting state. That is not. Patrol is another one. Yeah, so only take those. Set state as take the flea maybe. That maybe can be. No, flea is also not a good starting point. Then we only have the patrol, because we don't start attacking, and we don't start seeking. We start from a waiting, wandering, patrolling position. Set state as the patrol. Can we? No, we cannot. Can we? No, we cannot say like pin pin. No, no, we cannot say like remove pin. So okay, so that will be like so. Leave it like there. Now we are going back to the front because we were so clever to put it over there. And then the best thing to do is just start connecting everything. Okay, this was already, once this is done, uh, finish execute because we finish execute. Okay, put that in the middle. That should be a better lining. Yep, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. This we don't go as a starting state. Yeah, if you really want, you can. Allee. Then yeah, when you're dead, you're dead. You don't go. You don't start that. Flee. Yeah, okay. Unless you're a chicken shit, you will start fleeing. Then okay, so that's a mouthful. Quickly show you everything in case you must miss something. Beep beep. So we started casting to the AI Advanced Master. When it fails, we just say finish execute unsuccessfully. Then we are starting by a sequence. The first sequence is basically checking the equipment manager and setting your character or your AI back to the normed pose. Then on the second pin, we are saying no, we are not in combat anymore. We are transferring this to the behavior tree. Same thing, we resetting our enemy on the behavior tree. It's the enemy on the behavior tree. Then we take our start blackboard keys that we predefined so it's easier to work with. Then because we modified, we're going to take the controller and we're gonna ask for the blackboard. We're gonna set the enum or get, not sorry, get the enum. We need to convert this to a enum because the output pin is a byte and we're going from byte to enum. Then we need to go to the whole list. So that's why you see this naming is not a good naming, to be honest. If you later on need to search, you see, first of all, normally when you start with the enum, it's E. E underscore. You don't need to say enumeration from my point of view. Allee, keep everything as short as possible. And like I say, in my experience as a IT guy, I can ensure you if you use like complete sentences for a document, your backups will never work, because you have a limitation on the amount of characters in your path. Once you go over it, you cannot backup. So it is totally no use to start by giving all your files on your computer a complete alphabet book or something, or encyclopedia thing. So this is already done. Good, 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 good. This we don't need. That was just the reference. All right. And this I will change also later, but not now. This we did. Okay, so now what did I do? All right, we can start. Yippee. We are wait. So the first thing I want before I'm gonna do anything else is I'm gonna make a decorator. I'm gonna use the simplest, the simplest one, the blackboard. Then I want to have another one, so I'm directly going to put the same, the blackboard. We're gonna set the first one, and the first one I want to be is are we behavior? So not a star behavior. Don't miss with it. It's a default behavior. It's not the correct naming. Maybe we can better rename it, but yeah, maybe we break something, so leave it. Okay, so when we're equal to wait, so when we are in the waiting state behavior, then this needs to run. The second one I put as blackboard key the enemy. And then instead, is the enemy set? No, because if the enemy is set, I don't need it. It's when the enemy is not set. I only want to run this code. Okay, then I'm gonna already make this a little bit like so. And now we're gonna start. So like I say, I always want to start with the task set in set aiming mode. Set aiming mode, that's the first one. It's already set false because when I'm waiting, I don't want my character to be in a aiming pose. The second one is update the movement speed. So these two are always starting like this. So when we go from wait to passive to I don't know what, these are always the two first we are going to use. And in the, sorry, in this case, I say like the task say we need to wait. Just this one is just waiting. I leave it on 5 seconds, doesn't matter. And then once this is done, this is more of a going back in the original state thing. Then we're gonna clear the target, and the target is always then the enemy. So that is our first behavior, the wait behavior. Okay, so quickly go over it. We set the decorator. We want it equal to our default behavior of waiting. Okay, then set the aiming, movement speed. We're going to wait for 5 seconds, and then we're gonna reset our we are gonna reset then the enemy character. What we also can do or could have done is also in the meantime set or reset those, the start not, but the move to location, for example, or the POI. We can do that maybe later. We will see. We will see. Okay, now let me quickly see the passive mode. Oh yeah, I put some. Yeah, hold on. This one we don't need. Let me quickly see. So same thing. We're gonna start and then, and I even think I need to verify this. So the passive one, same thing. Make it over here. Set aiming mode. When we're passive, we don't need to aim. Set the update movement speed. Oh, hold on. Did I forgot something? Yes, I forgot something. Update movement speed needs to be not self actor, but it needs to be the default behavior because this is based on the behavior that we have. So same thing here. This needs to be default behavior. Okay, so put that over there. Then I put in like a waiting. We're gonna wait. How long we gonna wait? I put it on 3 with a deviation of 0.3. Okay, this is that not every AI stops at the same time. So you have like one is stopping 1 second earlier, one is going further, or that you have a little bit natural thing in it. Okay. And then quickly, let me see. Was it an inbuilt function of the hyper package? Let me quickly see. Random location. No, it's not. Okay, so we need to create a new task. Blueprint based task, folder task, task. Yeah, that is our. Then this we're gonna delete underscore, and this I'm calling random point around target. Okay, that is how we are going to call it. Save, same thing. Execute, receive, execute AI. Finish, finish, execute. Disconnect this one. I'm gonna quickly open this one, then I can tell you how many times we need to have it. This we need to have 3 times now. So we're quickly going to say Control D, Control D. Put these at the bottom. These are the not goods, and put this one over here. So we already have it. Then we are going on the controller. On the controller, do we implement an interface? Which interface? BPI Advanced AI. That's the one. Okay. Then yeah, these just put them a little bit down. Otherwise, we need to also have the okay, so make it properly. We need to have a branch. Okay. Then this goes there. Okay, perfect. When it's failing, so this is the first one we need. Hold on, drag that over there then. This is the first one we need. Okay, put that somewhere over there, otherwise we need to go too much back. Then we are coming from the pawn, the controlled pawn, and we are going to do cast to BP again, the top one, AI Advanced Master. Okay. Then Q. Zippity. Voila. Align everything a little bit. Then I'm gonna drag, 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 drag. Oh, I see a failure. I see a failure. Yeah, I forgot one. We need one extra. Hold on. I now just see it over here. So duplicate that. So This can lead to yeah, an AI staying in the task. So I can show you that I didn't modify anything. Eh? So like you see here, we fail, but on this one, I forgot to put it. So in this case, when it's failing, the task will keep on going on. And that is not what we want. Eh? We need that every time it's not okay, we then will go out of the state. Eh? Then, because we forgot that one, we need to have one extra of these. Okay, put it over there. Then, what did I need from my character? I need to have AC advanced AI or component reference we need. Then this is, yeah, okay, we need to have one, two variables. This is a float one. The float one I called radius. Make it shown. Both always make them shown, otherwise it will not work. This will be our move to, move to. This will be the blackboard blackboard key selector. Okay, perfectly. Then we need to have the move to over here, get. We also need to have the radius already somewhere in the neighborhood. Then from here, I need to have get black. So when you're taking it from the key selector, you really need to say get blackboard. And when you're taking it from the AI controller, you only need to say like get value. So when you're taking it from the selector, you really need to put in the blackboard thing. And I'm interested in a vector because we are talking about the move to location. For the move to location, I need, hold on, get random reachable point in radius. Yeah, in radius, this one I need. As the origin, it will be the move to. The radius is the radius. Let me quickly see. Did I put a default value in it? Yes, I put a default value. Hold on, compile. Quickly, I put this on 500 as a default value. So, but this you can change. So this goes then over here. That can go, no, leave it like that. I think it will be okay. Make it so, yeah, good. This moving over here because that's the next stage. So here we're gonna make a branch. If it's successful, then this connect over here, put it like so, take everything, maybe put that over here, put that over there. Are we still in a straight line? No, I think I'm drunk. Okay, yeah, like that. Then just move that already a little bit closer. Q, that it's on one line. Nice. Okay, that we say no. Then I'm gonna go over here. And then when this is false, I'm gonna say like, no, we cannot reach it or we cannot find the point. So no, abort the mission. Okay, then from our component, we need to have the BB, the blackboard key names. That is one that we need. And we need to do it like here. Set value, remember, or functionalities we create as a vector. That is what we need to do. Connect this one, make it a little straightened, and then it will be the new move to location where you then will be triggering from. That is basically how you need to see it. That is your start point. And then you say like from this point in a radius of, in our case, 500, I want to see if you can find a new spot for me to move to. That is basically what this does. Oh, wrong thing. This one needs to go over there. We need to break this, eh? Break this. And it's so stupid that he takes the namings not, eh? Strange. And what did I put it to? The move to. The move to. So we need to have the move to key name, eh? Then this can go like so. Then this can go nice in the spot. This can go a little bit more backwards. Okay, so this function is already created. So this is a function that you can use multiple times again. Eh? Okay, so this is good. Compile and save and close. Yippee dippy dip. Then I'm going to quickly do it over here because otherwise I'm tomorrow in trouble when it doesn't goes out. That hand needs to be correct. Eh? So when I see a bug or something I forgot, I will then directly put it in. Okay, compile and save. Close this thing. Then we are gonna call. We are gonna call our random point around target. The target is or move to location, yeah. And then like you see, then here you can say 1200 or whatever, doesn't matter. But you have the flexibility of working how do you want it. Okay, so this goes then there because in this function you can really say also, for example, uh, set first this and then say like move to, and then you can take like AI move to, you see, and then you can do it. This is the same as when you're doing move to. This is, allez, maybe not 100%, but this will be then the same logic. Okay, compile and save and close. That was just to show. Yeah, we move to because we set the move to location. Then in this instance, it must be, where is it? Here it is. It must be the move to location. Okay, put it like so. Then I put, yeah, but that I'm not gonna put in for now. That I'm not gonna, I put in like, hold on, yeah, I cannot. Hold on, you see, I'm gonna quickly let you show. I put in like a make noise thing, but I'm not gonna do it on this. So everything that has to do with hearing, I'm not gonna for now include. So now we are again. This is again that we are 100% sure that we don't have a target. Nothing more, nothing less. If you don't want it here, you can always later on, maybe we remove it then later, and you never know. Eh? So this is always the enemy. Oh yeah, there's more, only one target. Okay, so that is that. So save. Hold on, I'm gonna quickly look. Oh, 1 hour already. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, now we're gonna quickly, hold on. Yeah, I need to watch a little bit the timing that, not everything is 1 hour. A movement, around pound, move to make food stay. Okay, this one we can also do. It is a little bit the same logic. Eh? Okay, we're gonna start always from our aiming, our aiming stance. Yep, aiming mode false. We are wandering. Then I'm gonna update the movement speed. The movement speed is set to the behavior we are currently in. Then I'm gonna use the same thing, the random point around target, and this should be start location. I put it. This one I put from the start location so that he always goes back to the, then also leave it on 500. Then here we again need to move to we need to move to the move to location. Yeah, I see something. This one 50. Hold on, I think I put it on 50. That's I think no, this I left. Yeah, put it on 50. We can always so in this case the passive and the wandering we're gonna put on 50. Yeah, that is the distance, the acceptable radius that he needs to be around the point to say like, hey, I'm at the location. Then again, no, then yeah, then again that footstep thing, no, I put in a weight, and I put in a weight of 3. I'm gonna lower this 2 with a deviation of 0.5. Okay, put that over here, and then on this one I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna clear my target just in case. Okay, enemy. Okay, so that is 4. And on that, what did I do on that? Maybe quickly look. Yeah, on that I only, let's quickly make this one also. And I already see that we forgot something. So, but that, okay, that is nothing. Aiming stance, yep. Then movement speed, that was the only things. Here, the decorator, we forgot. A blackboard decorator we put in here. No, I did not put this one in. Hold on. Decorator, did I already have it? No, I need to make it. Okay, that decorator we make in the next video. Okay, that one we make in the next video because we need to make a decorator. Then this is that is that doesn't have another decorator, only this one has a decorator. Okay, so we're gonna start here, one decorator of blackboard, click on it. This should be the default behavior, and this is our wandering, wandering. Then here we're gonna do the same, blackboard, decorator, blackboard, click is default behavior. This is passive. Did I set this one? Yeah, this one I set. This one we did also set. And then what we can here do is click, click, decorator, blackboard, click. And this is default behavior for, and then say we are dead. Voila. Compile and save. Alleen not compile, save. So at this point, our low priority we set up. So when you put it on wandering or passive or wait now, then the AI will react. Okay, I'm gonna close the video here and I will see you in the next one where we then going to maybe do those two. Because yeah, the patrol route we need to do, and then yeah, this the investigation and the seeking has to do with with hearing also. So the hearing thing we need to be careful with, and then we're gonna do this one. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in a bit. Thank you. Bye bye.